Hi, I'm Joey Lord, and this is Vertical Video Home Repair. Vertical Video Home Repair, where we only shoot in vertical video because that's how people watch it. Vertical Video Home Repair, where we only shoot in vertical. I want to do a quick vertical video inventory of what you have in your basement. I keep mine up here by the couch, which convenient if you need to get up. Where I keep my tool belt. I'm gonna pull that out. Loose nails. Nails on the floor. That's atypical. So I bought myself a second ladder. Does the same job, but point of that is you never move your ladder. You just, everywhere you need a ladder, you keep the ladder there. So today we're gonna be putting up a little bit of shiplap. But before we can do that, I've got a crack here to repair. Got a good battery charge, which looks like we do. I'm gonna grab some material. In my case, oh, that one's already got a nail through it. Nope, that one's been used too. I got these from Salvage. You can get, I just got mine from Lowe's, but you can get them anywhere. All right, and pull out. Now it looks like it's gonna hold on its own. And I'll be honest with you, it will. But again, the key is to get both. And that's just good craftsmanship. Now in the case of our repair, we're using the Animorph book series, which does have some very, very impressive. I mean, incredibly impressive. It's a shame we're gonna be covering up with this plank here, but now I would normally get this one right in the corner. Instead, I'm gonna offset it right about here. You see, it's better. Try to keep a square pattern, a little, there we go. Let's check her out. Can she still flip? Oh, she's a bat. She's a bat girl. She's a girl. All right, now I don't need you to see me put these all up, so. I'm gonna try a thing called time lapse. Change my mind. I do want you to see this. I want to make sure you can see them. Just to get up there vertically, I'm gonna have to build a little scaffolding. Now, because I'm honest and I'm unbiased, I will say there are a couple job side no's in play right now. For one side, scaffolding is really meant for a ladder on both sides. And also, you're never ever supposed to put a top load on the very top rung of this ladder. Now, I do have a taller ladder. That ladder, the ladder in my other space is taller, but that's where that ladder goes. And this is where this ladder goes. So, this is my edge here, and that's simple enough. We're gonna have some corner scrap. Now we did lose the flip hook on this one, and that's always, you know, well, I don't like pointing this at myself, but that's always, you never want to. You want to keep the flip if possible. As you can see, we're still able to go. Okay, she can go from woman to bear. He can easily go from boy to snake. They're still intact. That's what's important. Look at that. Look at how easily he goes from boy to snake. Now, I'm actually going to change the angle here just a little bit. Okay. Well, for some the job would be done, and they would be wrong. We're close, but we have a gap.
And be steady in what you're about to saw. You're supposed to hold on to what you saw so it don't fly around nowhere.
And it flips. There we are. Well, I've been Joey Lort for Vertical Videos. You're welcome in advance.